In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove objects in Photoshop quickly and cleanly, whether it's a person in the background, a distracting sign, or anything else ruining your perfect shot. The best part is you can do this in just seconds using built-in tools inside Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share a quick pro tip to make your edits look completely seamless. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Simply go to File, then Open, and select the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, take a moment to zoom in on the object you want to remove so you can work more accurately. Step 2 is selecting the object. Photoshop gives you several selection tools, and you can use whichever works best for your image. If the object has clear edges, the Object Selection tool works great. Just click on it in the toolbar, then drag over the object and Photoshop will automatically detect it. You can also use the Quick Selection tool to paint over the object manually. And if you prefer more control, the Lasso tool lets you draw a selection freehand around the area you want to remove. Don't worry about being perfectly precise, just make sure the entire object is selected. Now here comes the fastest and most powerful method, Generative Fill. Once your object is selected, look for the contextual taskbar that appears near your selection. Click on Generative Fill. When the prompt box appears, leave it completely empty and simply click Generate. Photoshop will now use Adobe Firefly AI to analyze the surrounding area and automatically replace the selected object with realistic background detail. In just a few seconds, you'll see new variations appear in the Properties panel. You can click between the variations to choose the one that looks most natural. This method is incredibly powerful and works especially well for complex backgrounds like grass, sky, water, or textured walls. If you don't have access to Generative Fill, don't worry. There's an alternative method called Content-Aware Fill that also works very well. Start by selecting the object the same way as before. Then go to the top menu, click Edit, and choose Content-Aware Fill. A new workspace will open where Photoshop shows you the sampling area it's using to replace the object. In most cases, you can simply click OK and let Photoshop do the work. It analyzes the surrounding pixels and blends the area naturally. In just a moment, the unwanted object will disappear. After removing the object, zoom in and inspect the area carefully. Sometimes there may be tiny imperfections or repeating patterns. This is where the Spot Healing Brush tool comes in handy. Select it from the toolbar, make sure it's set to Content Aware in the top options bar, and lightly brush over any small flaws. This helps blend everything together and makes your edit look completely professional. And that's it. That's how to remove objects in Photoshop quickly and effectively using Generative Fill or Content-Aware Fill. With just a simple selection and a couple of clicks, you can clean up your photos in seconds and make them look flawless. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.